In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage user permissions and roles on Gusto. To get started, sign into your Gusto admin account. Make sure you're using an account with the authority to view and update team member access, since permission settings are usually only available to authorized admins. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to navigate directly to the employee settings area. From the left-hand sidebar, click on People. This is where you can view your team members and access individual profiles. In this section, find and select the team member whose permissions or role you want to manage. Take a moment here to confirm that you've opened the correct profile, especially if you're updating access for someone in a sensitive role like payroll or administration. After opening that team member's profile, go to the Permissions tab. This is the main area where Gusto lets you review what access the user currently has and make updates when needed. If you want to give this person a new role, click Add Permissions. If the user already has a role assigned and you simply want to inspect it before making changes, click View Details instead. Next, choose the appropriate role type. Depending on what this person needs to do, you might select something like Basic, Limited Admin, or Global Admin. The role you choose should match the level of access you want to grant. For example, a basic role may be suitable for limited visibility, while a broader admin role gives access to more company-wide functions. It's always a good idea to give only the access that's truly necessary. Once the role type is selected, configure the permissions for the available areas. These may include employee information, payroll, documents, expenses, and other settings offered within the platform. As you adjust these options, think carefully about what this team member needs in order to do their job effectively without giving more access than required. When you're done, review the selected permissions and access levels. This quick check helps prevent mistakes and ensures the role is set up exactly the way you intended. If everything looks right, click Save to apply the changes. After saving, verify that the updated role and permissions appear correctly on the user's permissions page. This final confirmation is important because it lets you know the changes were successfully applied and that the user now has the expected level of access. Thanks for watching.